Albuquerque. I stopped by the Wheels Museum on my way home from work, and I'm going to be showing you some of the rejuvenating we're doing on our HO layouts. And the museum here just celebrates the rail yard here in Albuquerque. It's a non-profit, and it celebrates anything with wheels on it. This is our smaller HO layout. It was donated by a hobby store years ago. And I'm going to show you the HOn3 loop here on the inside. I'm doing some work on that. The narrow gauge portion of this layout has never been used, at least not while it's been here at the museum. So it's nice to get this turntable working. The first complete time around pulling a passenger train. Thanks for watching.